Para ko yung, oh my goodness, nakabuti. Cute. Ko yung saka, ano? Pero hasya di straight. Pasura, hasya straight. Pasura, remi po poner como thumbnail. Para. Okay guys, hello. I have Daniel next to me. We're gonna do a 5-minute challenge. We have to eat 10 burgers in 5 minutes. So let's see. I think I have mine. I think 5, no? Okay guys, so we have our bags.
Bagage.
Every bag has 5 burgers in it. So, and we have our waters in case we choke.
Stay hydrated, bitches. That's it.
So yeah. Wait a second, I have to put my timer. So Diana has 5 junior burgers and 5 veggie burgers. I have all 10 veggie burgers. So yeah. I'm gonna put the timer. I don't know if you can see it.
Show up. I'm ready to show up.
1, 2, 3, start. Oh, wait. We have to see the.
Ay, pura.
Yeah.
Let's acaba.
Start.
没下地头时有上分。
You started with oh.
맛있죠?
I am. You don't want to get copyright. Second one.
오늘? 맛있어.
Wow.
맛있어.
This is all the sweet potatoes fault.
Ja.
Det gjelder så som vi ikke kan nevne noe. Não, mas não dá pra comer um po' di sweet potato. Time is up! So Diana, how much did you eat?
3.
No, but the time is up. I ate 3. Can you say I have?
No.
A little bit. So you can't eat 10 burgers in 5 minutes, or we can't. It's impossible. And
But I can eat it without the minutes.
yeah, without the minutes, yeah, without 5 minutes on the clock. Or maybe if we put 10 minutes, I think we could have done with all these.
Yeah, 1 minute each burger.
Yeah, but in our defense,
Show them. It's
Yes.
a big box. Look.
before we ate these, so yeah. Excuse me. This will be all for the video. Don't worry, we will eat these. Yeah, we will.
Yeah, we will.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye. Ciao.